Na sila matalo ah.
May scout pa sila, may scout pa. Mount up, may scout sila, may scout. Inang yan, scout
Put up,
tayo
put up.
guys. Holy fuck. Mount
Puts.
up. Huwag na mag-vote,
Gagi.
walang
Walang mount.
Bawal mount, boy.
Gagi sa top sila.
Mataas yung IP cap yan. 1-1 yung IP cap eh. May 1K? Ba't ganun?
Walang mount.
Dami dito, boy.
Ganun na. Ganun talaga walang mount.
Ton. Huwag ka matakot. Kaya natin ton.
Ah, sige.
We trust on ton guys, in ton. Yung mga defense ko sa likod ha, bilisan nyo. Mount up kayo, stick ko yung... Ay, mount.
Ay, yung crown. Paano ng crown?
Walang
Ikaw,
mount.
Lucy.
Ayoko ba?
Huwag mo Lucy.
Lucy yung...
Gagi,
Ikaw
nakakalito.
yung party leader. Ang ina mo.
Di ko.
Okay, over the wall. Kaya ba? Abot ba ito? Over the wall? Abot ba ito?
Food check.
Over the wall, engage. Shit. Over the wall ba yun, Let? Ang ina mo, Let eh. Ako yung in-engage mo, hindi wall eh. Let them in. I got engaged in 10 seconds. Bilis. Look at the crowd. Bilis. 5 seconds. Look at the crowd. Bilis. Okay, look at the stairs. 3, 2, 1, stairs. Isolop them. What the fuck are you doing? Go back. Go back, ma-engage yan. 3 to your demons. Don't mind, roll. They're dying. Okay? Demon armor. Takin na, ganda ng beep doon, pre. 5 seconds. Spots. Look at the stairs. Bilis.
Una
Stairs.
matay.
1, stairs now. Drawing. Tatlo ba?
Dekorado.
Okay, tax pa kayo. May hilap ako. Oo, dito sila lahat, oh. Kill them. Drop your isa pero.
Nag-alala.
Ba't na sila naka-brawl, pre? Ba't ganun? 7 seconds. Look at me. Look at the crowd. 3 seconds. Look at the crowd. 3, 2, 1. Crown na. Engage lang. Drop your ease. Mag-engage yan sa hero to. Yan. Hold them. Ano lang yung defense nila, pre? At healer ko malayo. Holy fuck. 9 seconds. Walk in kanila. Can we walk now? Walk. 3 seconds. Look at the stairs. 3, 2, 1. Stairs now. Drop your ease. Matay si Tonton. Go back. Follow me. Follow the crowd. Follow the crowd.
Kinikiliti ako ni Legend ah.
Patay.
Wala, pangit yun. Yung kanila, pump nila. Di ba yan brawl? Taka nag-rate action eh.
Ano yan?
Di yan clap eh. Semi brawl pala.
Ba't parang ano sila? Parang
Follow. Bilis. Follow the crowd.
parang may ano sila eh. Parang may miscommunication eh.
Okay, over the wall. Look at me. Over the wall. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Fuck, shit. Dinimaru pa sa taas kayo. Barrier. Go back southwest. Bilis. Dash down. Okay, got engaged. Walk in. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Sa stairs. Look at the stairs. Night helm. Wait, 3 seconds. Okay, look at the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stairs now. It's all of them. What the fuck are they doing? Anong perma yun? Ang layo. Go back. Glacier perma. Go back. Ang ina mo, Lucy. Nanghihila yung country. Demon.
Hindi sila hindi nila abot.
9 seconds. Walk in. 5 seconds. Get ready. Engaging. It's all of them. 3, 2, 1. Stairs now. It's all of them. What the fuck? Lahat sila. Legit. Okay, go southwest. Kung dito nagpanic ng DPS. Wrong fucking side, boys. Wrong fucking side. Hindi ko nahila. Nag-iyo.
Nice.
Ano sila yung axe god dito. Wag ka Gavin.
Ako yung nag-i.
Go back. Tonton, go back na.
Lakas ni Pops to no. Tangina na pumipitas eh no.
Tan yung kan mo to na yung basta pre magagamit mo pre kahit na-stun ka pre. Legit.
Ha?
Magagamit mo yan kahit nasa-stun ka.
Ano daw?
Nagagamit mo yan kahit nasisid ka, nasisay, na crowd control, na stun, na root, lahat na silence. Magagamit mo yung bots mo.
Na gamit ko kasi siya ng maaga.
Kaya ka mag-W2 ka pre, yung dash na W mo para makasabay ka sa engage ko. Tapos yung bots mo is yung kadalang defensive, okay?
Sige.
Gets? Okay. Saan sila?
Wala, wait.
Parang ano yata, parang, di ba parang may miscommunication sila?
East. Nasa east sila. Nasa east.
Okay, east. Okay. Nasa baba or okay dito na. Okay. Get ready. Mabait. Bait. Okay, nagpila sila. Nag-defensive. Look at the stairs in 3, 2, 1. The stairs. Nice one. Huge druid ng Hylian Hood. Huge Hylian Hood.
Tangin.
Okay, they're looking. Defense. Demon. Nice one, Demon. Okay, walk in. Brawl. 7 seconds. Walk in.
Gago, nagpapanik yung
Ba't ka
DPS.
nag-E? Ton, ba't ka nag-E doon? Engage ako, look at me. 3, 2, 1 now. Ton, nakon. Ton, wag mo gamitin yung A mo, Ton. Please hold lang. Hold mo yung A mo.
Yung healer.
Chia. Patay niyo si Chia.
Yun lang.
Hirahin kita dito, Heroto.
Nababaliw yung DPS nila, puta yan.
5 seconds, nag-kuna, what the fuck?
Dito.
Yun, tangin.
Wala lang DPS.
Look at southwest in 3, yung healers 2, 1, now. Healers now. WS.